honor Dr. P.K. Punia ji, the former Vice Chancellor of MDU, our own respectable Chancellor Dr. Puneet Goyal ji, respectable Pro-Chancellor Madam Dr. Poonam Goyal ji, worthy Vice Chancellor Dr. N.P. Kaushik ji, all deans are available here, faculty member, participants and the students. It is indeed another proud day for the university that two of the exemplary leaders of academics are among us, and this hall has been electrifying by the personality of these two exemplary leaders. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. Dr. N.P. Punia ji, everybody knows that how he has converted, transformed AICT to tackle the new age of computing challenges, the new education policy, which is actually evident of utilizing the most technological methods, and we are very blessed that AICT has such a leader who actually understands this technology, and they have actually made their steps towards to that, and the entrance examination and other kind of things, those are the credit goes to Dr. Punia ji, how he has transformed the AICT. Thank you very much, sir, for that. We have Dr. B.K. Punia ji also with us. Everybody knows out of this hall that how he has handled the MDU when he was former Vice Chancellor over there, not only in the all aspects of the academics or non-academic matters, but he has actually given the qualitative upliftment of the university and also the peaceful environment. I tell you, I am giving it in the inverted comma, that the peaceful environment in the MDU is a big challenge, and sir, you have made it, ensure that peaceful environment in the university. Thank you very much. As our respectable Honorable Chancellor Sir and Madam Pro-Chancellor is already here, they are basically, I can say that they are not actually the business person. As Neeraj ji already said that they are firstly the doctor, the physician, then they have the educationist, but beyond to that, they are actually philanthropists. They are actually giving it back to the society in all means, whether it is through education or through some other means. So sir, you are also welcome on that.
The university was established with a motto of creating research-oriented environment supported by application of updated technology for every field of study. And today, this one-day national conference, Significance of Technology Integration in Human Life and Business Environment, has proved our commitment. As this is aimed not on a single area of study, but it is oriented towards multidiscipline. It is also a matter of pleasure and pride for all of us present here to see our Dr. N.P. Punia ji, who has gracefully consented to be the chief guest of the inaugural session of this one-day national conference, and Professor B.K. Punia ji as guest of honor on this occasion.
हमें ज़्यादा वक्त न लेते हुए हमारे मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर एन.पी. पुनिया जी को आमंत्रित करूँगा, पर उससे पहले उनका थोड़ा सा तारुफ मैं आप लोगों को दे दूँ, जो अपने आप में एक इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं। छोटे से विलेज में राजस्थान में जन्म हुआ और मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग में इनका स्पेशलाइजेशन है, और एमटेक इनका IIT दिल्ली से, और मोर देन 30 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है। इसमें 6 साल as the principal of Government Engineering College, Bikaner. अब बात आती है पेपर पब्लिकेशंस की. More than 80 papers in national and international journals, to 8 number of books and 2 lab members. It's really a matter of
Namaskar. Respected Sri Punit Goyal ji, the team leader of this amazing temple of worship, temple of education. Punit ji, I congratulate you for creating such a beautiful infrastructure in this area of the country. I am really very happy the way your visionary leadership is working and the happiness which I am observing on the faces of our teachers and students. It's great. Please keep on doing this good work. Society is having enormous success. My younger brother, Professor V.K. Punia ji, who was game changer in MDU University Rohtak, he is also available here. It's very entertaining moments for all of us that such a visionary leader in this special event is available here. My friend Dr. N.P. Kaushik ji, who is Vice Chancellor and leading this whole team, Madam Poonam Goyal ji, and very sparkling leader Sri Poddar ji, all the faculty members, friends here. First and foremost thing is that the way this university is going on during this last 12 years, they are saying, the total journey of the institute is 12 years. And in 12 years, 4,000 students are studying here. And these type of events at national, international level, you people are conducting. So it's a great work. Keep on doing good work. And country is expecting these type of changes, these type of achievements. And certainly, being part of the regulatory system, will also be happy. And whatever help we can extend to you people, certainly it will be appreciated. दो बातें अपन ने विशेष अभी की. One very long introduction of mine it has been given. Longer the introduction, smaller the person always. जिस व्यक्ति का डॉक्टर साहब जितना लंबा परिचय होता है, वो व्यक्ति उतना ही छोटा होता है. जब महात्मा गांधी, when he was fighting against the Britishers for getting this freedom from them, he was staying in Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat. And most of the time he was away from Sabarmati Ashram. Once he has received one postcard, one citizen from Australia, he has written some suggestions to Gandhiji. It is not important what suggestions he has given, but one postcard that Australian citizen has written to Mahatma Gandhiji, and even today if you are visiting Sabarmati Ashram, that postcard is lying on the wall of Sabarmati Ashram. The address which is written on that one, it is Gandhi, India. गांधी जी का पूरा परिचय जो था, जो मेरा इतना लंबे जो पेजेस में दिया गया, उनका परिचय सिर्फ गांधी, इंडिया था. तो